come in, sir?
Please come.
Sir, namaste. Namaste.
Please. SAKTISUDHA Das.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Einstein.
Yes.
Einstein.
Sir, I could not. I can.
You are a topper in physics.
Yes.
So I said Einstein.
Thank you, sir. It's nothing like
Good. Can you briefly, SAKTISUDHA, because I am tempted because I am from a non-science background. So seeing a topper gold medalist in physics, I thought you are the right person to explain to me in brief the theories of Einstein.
the theories of Einstein. One is, sir, the theory of relativity, and the second is Brownian.
You should be, I'm cautioning you, you should be able to simplify it to a lay person. I mean non-science person, yeah.
Theory of relativity is something Einstein said that the mass and the speed of a particle is not constant, is dependent upon a frame of reference, depending upon the observer who is observing the mass, who is observing the speed, who is observing the length of a particular matter.
I mean, this is mind-boggling. This is stopping me because the very first sentence is anything but simple.
Yes, sir.
So, in other words, the observer makes a difference in physics.
Yes, sir. The observer.
It appears to be metaphysics to me, Sudha, rather than physics.
It initially, when Einstein also proposed this theory, it appeared very different to
Metaphysical.
people. Yes, people could not accept it at that point of time, but later on, people got to know when the experiments were there, Lorentz experiment, etc. Then it got confirmed.
Okay.
And Einstein also got Nobel Prize for this.
Okay. Then?
Another is photoelectric effect, where Einstein, through his theory, Einstein explained that light, which was often considered, before that light was considered a wave, but at that, in photoelectric effect, light, the particle nature of light was got proven.
What is this, this quantum entanglement?
Yes, sir. Quantum entanglement, where two bodies, they are entangled with each other in such a way that one wouldn't be able to tell the difference what is what. That is quantum entanglement.
What is the principle of uncertainty, Sudha?
The principle of uncertainty was given by Heisenberg. According to principle of uncertainty, when one won't be able to be certain about two things, for example, time and energy. If we are certain about time, we won't be certain about energy. And if we are certain about energy, we won't be certain about time. Same goes for distance, displacement and momentum also.
Again, sounds very metaphysical, not at all physical.
Yes.
Good. What is this quantum computer, Sudha?
Quantum computers, usually the computers that were before the quantum computers, they used 0 and 1 mostly. But the quantum computers, they used both the entangled 0 and 1, not, they will function according to the demand. There is no 0 and there is no difference between 0 and 1. The state, they are superimposed on each other. Superposition is the word.
Are there scientists who are trying to compare the Vedanta ideas, philosophy and physics together, Maya and physics? I think some international scientists in physics, physics scholars, they are trying to relate Indian Upanishad idea to physics. Have you heard of that? No.
No, sir. Sorry, I'm unaware of that.
Okay, don't worry. Now, why there is so much apprehension? There is a lot of excitement about artificial intelligence. There is, at the same time, there is quite some apprehension about artificial intelligence.
Yes.
Tell us something about why are we apprehensive about artificial intelligence?
So one is that artificial intelligence will lead to a lot of job loss, especially the repetitive task that will be done by artificial intelligence. Another is that the bias that is existent in society with respect to gender or with respect to disabled person, any kind of bias that can be easily transferred to the artificial intelligence and the kind of algorithm, and it will show us through our phones that the social media that we use, it will be transferred to it, and there will be issues of transparency, privacy, etc., everything. That is why it is
Good,
affected.
wonderful. But also another dimension, Sudha, is there a real danger that this artificial intelligence at one stage will break away from the human control or supervision and then start doing things on its own, which may not always be ethical or anticipated?
Yes, sir. There is a theory of artificial superintelligence where the artificial intelligence will supersede humans in its ability to do things, and then there are also apprehensions of harm.
Very good. One last question now from me.
Yes.
Shakti Sudha, from your credentials, you will make a wonderful scientist in physics and go on to win Nobel Prize rather than entering the Orissa Civil Service.
Sir,
It's a huge waste. It's a loss to the world of physics.
No, sir. I deeply appreciate the discipline and the intellectual rigor of physics, but I was drawn towards civil services because it will provide me a direct and impactful platform for nation building and uplifting the lives of the citizens. And the administrative and policy implementation aspect of the civil services, they truly resonate with my desire to bring a tangible difference in society, and the kind of satisfaction that I will derive is unmatched.
Very good, sir.
SAKTISUDHA
Yes, sir.
means
Sir, Sakti means personification of divine feminine energy, and Sudha means the nectar of immortality. So together they means the nectar of divine feminine energy, I believe.
so I can't follow.
Sir, individually Sakti and Sudha has meanings, but together, it's a little.
Together?
Sir, a nectar of divine feminine energy, I guess.
So you are a blessed child. That you mean by that way.
Yes.
So when you are observing the National Science Day,
28th of February.
why you are observing?
Because, sorry sir, C.V. Raman effect got introduced in that day.
What is that?
Raman effect, so Raman effect is a scattering, Raman scattering. Before the scattering was, the scattering is, sir, when light falls on a particle, then it gets scattered. Before Raman effect, there was this scattering called Rayleigh scattering, where the frequency of the incident light is equal to the frequency of the scattered light. It was the theory. But Raman introduced an idea of Raman scattering, which is in addition to the, sir, when the scattered light, the frequency of the scattered light is equal to the frequency of the incident light in Rayleigh scattering, and there are two other scattered rays. One is anti-Stokes line, one is Stokes line. In Stokes line, the frequency of the scattered light is greater than the frequency of the incident
got
light.
it.
Yes.
Suppose which is the source of energy?
Sir, for us,
For us?
sun is the source
Sun.
of.
So from sun to earth, so what is the duration? How much time it takes for the light rays to fall?
Sir, 8 minutes, I'm not sure.
8 minutes. Why? Very quickly, very short time it can enter into atmosphere.
So there are a lot of scatterers that are there. Sir, I'm unaware of that.
Because of you are reading physics and because the ionosphere is there.
Yes, sir.
The ionosphere prevents the sunlight.
Yes, sir.
Ultraviolet, very
Yes.
intense sunlight. So from ionosphere up to this it takes so much time,
Yes.
8 minutes or something. So what is atmospheric inversion?
Atmospheric
Inversion.
inversion of temperature.
You tell, you imagine atmospheric inversion. Maybe temperature, maybe particulate matter, maybe heat, whatever. Okay,
Sir, when in terms of particulate matter, when we move up to in terms of altitude, there are less and less number of particles. And in terms of temperature also, the temperature decreases as we move on.
What is cloud bursting?
Cloud bursting is a sudden and incessant rainfall in a small amount of place in a small amount of time.
How it occurs?
It occurs because our moist air, it moves along the mountain slopes, and suddenly the cloud, it is not
with
able to.
what? Some pressure is there or something else, automatically air will go on. There must be some high pressure or low pressure.
Due to low pressure, sir.
And
Then it goes the rise up of the mountain slope, and then at a point of time the cloud cannot hold the rain, water molecules, and that is why the bursting happens suddenly.
and just go through that. Some earthquakes is there.
Yes.
So that is the difference of this high pressure and the low pressure. When the pressure is low there, then it becomes easier that at once, just like the bursting of the balloon, it falls on the ground.
Yes.
That cloud bursting.
Yes.
Then what is cybercrime actually?
Cybercrime is a sorry, sir. Cybercrime, when crime happens through internet, through internet, that is what cybercrime is. It can have a lot of aspect to it. For example, phishing, when we call somebody and then we
Here, have you read newspaper today?
yes, sir, Samaj I read.
Samaj?
Yes.
So one military officer,
Yes.
high-level officer, high-ranked officer, is arrested by the cybercrime in Kotak yesterday.
Sir, I'm not aware of that. Sorry, sir, I'll read about it.
Cybercrime is producing good result, indicates a good result now.
Yes.
So the sir was talking about artificial intelligence.
Yes, sir.
There are some AI camera,
Yes, sir.
developed AI camera. What is that? What is the word? That camera is used by any scientist and police personnel or anybody to identify criminals
Yes.
by glance. देखले कोई भी अपराध कौन कुछ.
Yes, sir.
You understand? Okay.
Madam SAKTISUDHA.
Yes, sir.
We have discussed many physics questions.
Yes.
Let us make it little lighter.
Yes.
You are studying in Jharkhand. Jharkhand. Is there any relationship between Jharkhand and Odisha? Can you give me 2-3 common points or tussles, conflicts?
Right. Sir, Jharkhand and Odisha both share the Chota Nagpur plateau.
Okay.
They are both on the eastern side of the India. And sir, the shared tribal culture is there of Santal, Munda, Ho, etc. And sir, the dense forest that we share between Odisha and Jharkhand, that is a rich area for Naxalism. And Subarnarekha multipurpose water dispute is there between Odisha and Jharkhand. And there are certain villages on the border which are in dispute on the border of Odisha and Jharkhand.
Not villages, madam. It's a large tract.
Yes, sir.
2 districts, Sadaikala and Kharswa.
Kharswa, yes.
They were Odia dominated
Yes.
areas in Singham district.
Yes.
So it is a conflict between Jharkhand,
Jharkhand and
erstwhile
Odisha.
Bihar and Odisha. Are you aware of the issue? Why and how those Odia dominated areas were included in Bihar then?
Sir, why?
And how?
Sir, as far as I know, during the reorganization of states,
Yes.
Sadaikala and Kharswa, they remained in Jharkhand. They remained in Bihar at that point of time. Why, sir? I cannot recall it at this moment.
It was not contiguous to Odisha.
Yes, sir.
At that time, Mayurbhanj was a princely state.
Yes, sir.
So there was intervening area.
Yes.
Mayurbhanj was intervened between Sadaikala, Kharswa and Odisha.
Yes, sir.
So when in 1936 Odisha became a state, so Sadaikala, Kharswa remained there.
Yes.
After independence,
Yes.
when Mayurbhanj annexed with Odisha.
Yes.
At that time, the Bihar politicians were too powerful, so that didn't leave. Okay.
Yes.
Alright. So, you studied physics
Yes.
and kept home science. What is home science as your? You are quite aware. You are very intelligent. Why did you leave physics?
Sir, I did not leave physics. I used to teach physics in multiple institutes. But the choice of making home science as my optional paper was a strategic decision depending upon the availability of resources and the amount of time that it will take for me to complete the paper and the scoring options. Given that it's a competitive examination, I thought I should put home science as my optional. Yes.
In home science, you must have studied about food habits.
Yes.
Have you?
Yes, sir.
People say that with every 10-20 kilometers, the language and the food habit changes. Yeah?
Yes.
You come from which part of Odisha?
Puri district. I
Puri.
come from Puri district.
Are you aware about the food habits of people in western part of our state?
Western part of our states.
Can you give us some unique dishes of western Odisha?
Yes, I'm trying to. Sir,
Okay, I'm making it little.
chawul bada is something that they.
Recently they observed
Nuakhai, yes, sir.
there are some particular dishes. There are some unique dishes they prefer during Nuakhai.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm not aware of that.
Yeah,
I
like
will-
you said, chawul bada,
Chawul.
satya.
Yes, sir.
There are many things. Korodi,
Korodi, yes, sir.
bamboo soup.
Bamboo shoot, yes.
All these things are not taken up. Tell me, Odisha was notorious for maternal death and child death. Huh?
Yes, sir.
What was the reason? Has it anything to do with malnutrition?
Sir, it has something to do with malnutrition, and in addition to that, there is a patriarchal concept where girls are always deprived of adequate amount of nutrition, and the male members, they were always supposed to eat properly.
As an administrator,
Yes, sir.
given a chance, what would you do to reduce maternal and child death rate?
Sir, first, sorry, sir. First, there is a scheme which is integrated child development scheme, and through that, I'll try to ensure that the pregnant and lactating mothers, they are.
What are those schemes?
Yes, sir.
Can you name the schemes?
Pradhan Mantri Matru Bandhan Yojana is there. Poshan 2.0 is there to ensure adequate nutrition in pregnant and lactating mothers as well as infants also. And sir,
Okay, so
yes.
there is a class of two schools of thought about non-veg and vegetarian.
Yes, sir.
What do you prefer prescribe?
Sir, I will talk about the benefits of non-veg and veg both. Sir, in a vegetarian diet, there is a lack of non-essential amino acids which is present in non-vegetarian diets. So when somebody prefers to be vegetarian, then they need to ensure that the essential amino acids they need to get from certain kind of nuts and seeds. And in non-vegetarian diet, it is a wholesome diet, but sir, also there is a fear of the concentration of, I am forgetting the exact name, which is biomagnification is there when in our fleces, in the fleces of non-vegetarian food, the biomagnification is there where different kind of substances which are harmful, they get, yes.
Say 30-40 years back, we were depending on traditional foods.
Yes, sir.
Now some packed foods are coming up.
Packaged food, yes.
Packaged foods. What is the hazards of packaged food? Our
Packaged.
children are accustomed to packaged food now.
So microplastics are one that comes to my mind now. And sir, processed food, they are processed.
Preservatives.
Yes, preservatives are added which are harmful for our health. And sir, they use certain kind of hormones when it comes to non-vegetarian packaged food, which leads to hormonal imbalance, especially in adolescent girls. Yes, sir.
Can we discuss some international issues?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard the term North-South dialogue?
North-South dialogue. Yes, sir.
Haven't heard.
Sir,
Have you heard about Global South?
Global South, yes.
What is global? What is South and what is North?
Sir,
Has it anything to do with Northern Hemisphere or Southern Hemisphere?
geographically it has to do with the Northern Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere, but actually it's the economic difference that is there, the brand line, where the richer countries are often in the northern parts
and the poorer or developing countries are called South.
South. Yes, sir.
Is there any group
There,
of North and South?
sorry, sir. North, NATO comes to my mind when it is not.
NATO is in the
South, Shanghai Cooperation.
NATO
Yes, sir.
is not an economic group, it's a military group.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard of G20,
G20. Yes.
G7?
Yes, sir. And when it comes,
G7 is the 7 developed countries.
yes, sir.
Haven't heard?
Yes.
Huh?
And in the south, there is Shanghai Cooperation Organization is there, and the BRICS countries are there. They are trying to.
Why BRICS was formed? What was the reason BRICS was formed?
Sir, I will read on that. I'm forgetting at the moment.
BRICS
Yes.
was formed to avoid trading in dollar. Now
De-dollarization, yes, sir. Yes, sir. To reduce the influence of dollars and greater bargaining power for the south. Yes.
Last question I will ask you. You have mentioned badminton. Are you a badminton player?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Can you name some celebrated badminton players?
From India.
Yes.
So first would be Sri Prakash Padukone, who won the Commonwealth Games gold medal, and then Sri Pulela Gopichand.
Most celebrated was all England Open.
Yes. And sir, PV Sindhu, who recently won the BWF World Championship, and then Saina Nehwal, who first got the Olympic medal for India, the first woman, and Pramod Bhagat from Odisha, who won gold medal in Paralympics in 2020. Yes.
Would you encourage our children, especially girl children, to go in this field? Can they make a career in sports? Should government encourage girl children?
Yes, sir. Government. Sorry, sir. Government should encourage girl children for their holistic development.
Give us 3-4 ideas, 2-3 ideas how government will give encouragement.
So first, we should conduct talent search. We should conduct talent searching at school level and community levels. And second, we should focus on the infrastructure and the coaches area. And third is we should conduct more and more tournaments in Odisha, like we did in case of hockey. And fourth is Khelo India is something the government and private should come together. Infrastructure, yes, I said.
Are you aware of the fact that some badminton academy is coming up in Bhubaneswar?
Sir, Dalmia.
Yes.
तापर एटा काटी माने क्वीन ऑफ गेम्स
Yes, sir. It originated in India.
पूरा सब हेल्थ कंडीशन बढ़िया
Yes, sir.
Good, SAKTISUDHA. केबे अछि आपनकर?
Sir, on 12th September.
This is your first interview,
Yes, sir.
first exam.
It's fourth attempt, first interview.
You studied in Odia medium.
Yes, sir. Odia medium.
Fluent in English.
Oh, brilliant. But fourth attempt, my God.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, suddenly the shock.
Extraordinary.
Kaise?
Sir, initially I did not quite get the demand of the examination properly, and I was unable to identify my problems. And also I was teaching at a place, so I did not.
Where are you teaching?
Sir, GIT Bhubaneswar is a place, and SGM Mendhasal is another place I was.
That is
Engineering college.
it's an engineering college, is it?
I was teaching to +2. It was a group of institutions. I was teaching to +2 students.
So this is your first interview.
First interview, yes,
You
sir.
have done your home science well?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. And anyhow, I think you are brilliant, SAKTISUDHA, if you don't mind. You are just brilliant. We enjoyed
Yes, sir.
your responses.
Thank you, sir.
Great. Absolutely nothing to add. Okay, any questions from your side, Sudha?
You want to ask anything to us?
Sir, was I little afraid?
No, there is nothing to
No, you're afraid.
Why should you?
Sir, in physics question, I couldn't, that entanglement that
You
did not
need
come to my mind.
answer all questions.
Don't worry. I mean, just a curiosity, because any temptation, because you are a gold medalist, there are physics people there,
Yes, sir.
they may
But
engage you.
Granny, the two things you remember, cold and hot. So everything that pressure between the cold and the hot.
No, they may not ask many physics
Yeah,
questions.
not details.
They'll be asking
General
general
questions.
awareness questions, current
The
affairs.
cybercrime is something I couldn't
input.
answer it. So I get blank at times, like the cybercrime question, I got blank. How to handle myself at that point of time?
No, see, what we are observing is, even when the other panelists are there, every panelist is watching you. It's not the subject or this thing, how you are responding.
Yes, sir.
We are trying to assess your personality,
That is
and
in,
no, you came across very well, particularly home science, you said as a matter of strategy. I mean, you come across as a very genuine. And the moment you say you're a gold medalist in physics, automatically a certain level is taken over.
Yes.
Intellectually, you're very sharp, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
So that is there. And then, so what we are looking for when you say why home science, you said no, because as a matter of strategy.
Yes, sir.
These are the
Sir,
things.
I was really impressed the way she explained theory of relativity.
Oh.
This is the best answer I have got.
Correct. So, yes, so intellectual level is taken for granted, gold medal is revealing. You come across as a very sincere, genuine personality when you said, why home science? Because it's a matter of strategy, and not books available there. So I need not prove, you have already proved yourself in physics. So when you say, why home science? Because it's a matter of strategy,
Yes, sir.
and the scoring. So you are very, very genuine. Honesty is the best policy.
Yes, sir.
Cybercrime also, it's an evolving
everyone
field.
knows it as well.
Yes.
Cybercrime, it's an evolving thing. There are any number of things. So supposing you are not very particular, you can, so
Sir, I have studied cybercrime, but it did not come to my mind at
doesn't
that.
matter.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
you have taken home science,
Yes, sir.
digital education is there.
Yes, sir.
So some knowledge about computer and development.
Yes, sir.
So the minimum knowledge should be there.
Now it's correct. Digital arrest কথা কৌশল।
Yes, sir.
No, ठीक है, in spite of all these things, if there are a few questions which will not be there, doesn't matter, leave it there. It's not a question and answer session.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's a personality test. All the best, Sakti, Sudha.
Thank you.
Okay, God bless you. Which newspaper you are studying?
The Hindu and Samaj.
There is enough.
समाज में cybercrime batch.
Sir, I was only studying the editorials and the front page.
News पढ़ो, news पढ़ो।
Heading पूरा पढ़े तो बात से
No, the clue to a personality test is it's always a given. Your areas of strength, detain the board. Areas where you will not be able to answer, you just pass it over. That's
Yes,
all. There is
yes.
nothing else. Okay?
Thank
God bless you, Sudha.
Namaste.
It's a pleasure talking to you.
Yes, thank you, sir.
good marks also.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.